Hello, Mom and Sir. I am Diana Di Franco, 33 years old, happily married, blessed with two children, ages 10 years old and 1 year 5 months old baby. I finished my first year college at the University of Cagayan Valley. In our family, we are two siblings only. I am the youngest. I have my work experience here in Philippines. My first 3 years work experience is being a housemaid. In one family, they have 6 members. They have 4 children, ages 22 years old, 20, 18, and 15 years old. My duties and responsibilities there are cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and cooking. In cooking, I learned from my madam. And my last work experience is caring a elderly. I am the responsible for her medicines and giving her nutritious foods. I love babies also. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. To all employers there in Hong Kong, please consider me because I am trustworthy and hardworking. Thank you and God bless.